Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my year of savings. With a year of savings, I have $100 in prop money and my saving challenges that I am saving for different categories throughout the year. So let's get into it. So first we have our the Save Every Friday of 2025. And this is created by Mandy's Money's _ budgets on Etsy. And we are saving $4 for April 4th. So let's get that all colored in. $4. So let's see, do I got $1 in here? Nope. So let's do 1, 2, 3, and 4. Perfect. And once again, for those who are new, so each month I add up how much I save for that month, and I put it towards an extra payment towards that. So we did 85 for January, 70 for February, 70 for March, and then we working on April. So that is just like a little fun way I like to save for extra payment for debt throughout the year. Next, we have a weekly savings created by Norella's Budgets. Let's move some stuff around. All right. And I am saving for my son's senior year, which is 2026. So I wanted to get started early. So what you do, you can make determine what each circle you want it to be. It's up to you. I decided that I was going to roll a D8 to help me decide how much I am saving. And today is $3. Another fun, easy way to save. So 1, 2, and 3. Perfect. All right, what do we have next? We have Save with Judy. This is every icon is $5. For the whole year, it will be $300. That is an awesome savings. So let's color the first little basket here for April. Do a cute little purple here. All right, should we color the eggs? Yes, let's color the eggs. And let's do a nice little pink, do some pastel colors. Perfect. All right. Oh, let me put my $5. Look, I'm about to forget. So let's put the $5 in here. All right. Also from Norella's Budgets, we have her March group play. So let's go ahead and finish March. Get in there. What are you doing? All right. And let me see. This is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So $14. Let's go ahead and finish this out. So 14. And we have $1. Yes, we do. So let's put in 15. And I think it was a mistake of how much it saved. I think maybe it's 50. So 20, 30, 40, 50. Yes, $50. Awesome. So let's put no, I just keep it like that, I think. So, Gems, that is a completed challenge. Thank you, Miss Norellis. or Miss Nuri for awesome group play, and that will go towards this will go towards extra payment of debt. Oh my goodness. I am losing it. All right, so let's go to this one. This is Love is in the Air, and this is created by Chief Managed Budgets. And let's get a card here. Boom. And this says $120. So let's give it a scratch. Let's see what we're going to do today. Okay, we got a 9. That is perfect. I almost want to do another one, but I'm not. Going to hold off. Do we got $1? No. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Perfect. Put that back in here. All right, we might come back to you. We might. All right. So I did add the Santa's Coming to Town book created by Miss Chief Managed Budget and Champagne's Corner. So I might start this today. We shall see. But I want to see how much I'm going to put into this save 2025 and 2025. So look, we got 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. Oh, $65. Okay, okay. All right. All right, so I have a little like story time for you guys. So, I had filed my taxes, and because I got a big girl job now. For you guys who don't know, I am a nurse practitioner. I owe a little bit more taxes than I was prepared for. So with that being said, last year I had started saving for my month ahead, which I believe I saved $2,800. So I have decided to take that money and just pay the taxes that I owe. And of course, I'm already saving for my month ahead for 2025. I'm just going to start completely over with what I have here. I feel that is the most responsible thing for me to do. So I won't have any debt. You hear that? No additional debt. I saved it. It's in my high yield savings. I'm like, hey, it's there. That's what it's there for. It's your budget, your savings. Use it where you need it. So that's what I decided to do. So with this $2,025, I am saving 1,000 of it for my emergency, and the other 1,000 is going for my month ahead. And the money that I have been saving for the gems of 2025, I'm continuing to save this, and this is what is going to prepare me for my taxes for next year, if that makes sense. So they say be careful what you pray for, and I pray for my financial situation to improve, to get better, a better job, a better career, and I got all those prayers answered. I just wasn't prepared for the other part of it. But that is okay. I should say I was prepared because I have the money to pay it. Let me clear that up. And thank God for that. Yes. Amen. So that was just a little brief intermission there. So let's see. I forgot how much I said. Did I say 60? Let's count this again. So yeah, guys, if you need to adjust your savings, just do it. I mean, everything is not cut and dry or black and white. You just have to adjust when needed. So we have 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. Yes, $65. So are we going to put the whole 65 in here? Let's see. So 65. So we have 16. Let's do the big ones. 14, 13, 13, and 9. Boom. Yes, let's do that. I don't know why that just took me so much out to explain to you guys, but yeah, I was just going like, oh my goodness, what am I going to do? And it's like, girl, you got the money. Be easy. God seen this coming. So he was preparing you, and sure enough, I was prepared. And look at me now. Saving the money. I have the money. I didn't go buy me a new handbag or purse. I did the right thing. And I just want to thank the community for this, because the budgeting community have opened my eyes to so many things, and I am so grateful for that. So I think next week we are going to start the Christmas savings. Let's color this one. Oh, and this is created by the Almost Organized Al. So this is you guys remember what it was. I forgot that quick. So we are going to put all of that in here. And like, once again, so this is going to be for a month ahead. Ooh, it's getting fat. Month ahead and emergency. All right. And that is $100 saved. So we did complete this March group play, which says 50, and I will go ahead and make the extra payment towards debt with this. And that's all I have, gems. Thanks everyone for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, all the ups and downs and roller coasters, please subscribe to the channel and share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.